Hey guys, today we're looking at the Scar 168 Assault Rifle Gel Blaster. It's a nice bit of kit, all black except the tip, which you can remove. But it's all completely black, including the trigger. So it definitely looks the part. And a real nice quality finish in a matte black. Solid build. The stock is extendable. It's got a few different spots where it locks in. And it's also foldable, which I wasn't really a fan on, but once I actually had a crack at it, actually pretty cool, very maneuverable. So nice unit. Feels good in the hand, quite well balanced as well. So as you can see, just a nice looking piece with not many accessories, or no accessories really, but I think it makes up for that in the way it looks and feels, and the gearbox and motor it's running. This is also flexible or foldable, so you can put that down. You got attachment rails over there. In the box, comes with safety glasses, of course, 10,000 pack of ammo. What seems to be another 2,500 pack of ammo. Your charger. A longer tip, if you wanted to put a longer tip on there. I prefer the short one personally. What looks like some spare parts, because I couldn't see how that fits together on the outside of it. Your battery, which is a 7.4, and what looks like some more spare parts. It's also got a mixing bottle, but I couldn't get it out, so that stays in there. But all in all, she's a beaut. Sounds awesome, and it's just got a kick to it when you fire it. It just really feels good. Feels like it could go all day. But don't let me tell you about it. Let me show you. There she is. Very nice piece. Turn her on. Let's see how she performs, eh? See how she performs. Nope. Alright. Let's see how she performs. Probably shoots around a good 30 meters. Even 30, 35. Got a lot of force in it. So there you go. Remember to subscribe. Stay tuned for more updates and videos on the latest toys.